Hi everyone. So today we're going to be doing a tutorial, which is really my go-to wrap style. And then whenever I post about it, people are like, what is it? And I made a tutorial a really long time ago, but I'm like, it's been a while. I will make an updated one. I'm going to be using the Boo Boo Moose shaper in the color blonde, as well as our newest wrap, this rose gold beautiful metallic wrap, or shimmer wrap I should say. It also comes in like a beigey gold tone, which is beautiful as well. We are going to start by putting it on, leaving one side much shorter than the other. I'm gonna make this side even shorter. And I always say the side that you want your tails to be on, you should start the shorter tail on the other side. So this is my shorter tail. And as you know, I like it angled, so I'm folding it a little bit underneath itself right now, and I am angling it like so. I am taking it to the back, and then I'm gonna crisscross, bring them to the front. Leave this little one here. Then we are going to work with the longer one. We are folding it into thirds, bringing it up at an angle. And you can make sure that if you like pleats, you can pleat it at this point. It'll help to create really pretty pleats and actually to keep it in place really well. I'm gonna bring this one like this. And then I'm just gonna flatten this portion out before I go around and I move it. There we go. And then take this around, bring it up, and then make sure it's still folded. I want to pleat this a little bit more, so I'm going to do it now before I bring that one over, just like this. Bring this one up to the side. So now we have our tail that's right here. I'm just going to make sure this one is folded in a way where the shimmer is on the outside. Take the one from the back, bring it around, tuck it in, and then you can, at this point, go ahead and adjust anything that needs to be adjusted. If you want to create more pleats, you can create more pleats. At this point, I'll feel around with my hands to see if anything needs to be tucked, just so there's nothing sticking out over here and everything is even over here. The shaper isn't showing, the pleats are straight. And I love this angled look. It helps my face to look longer than what it is. It kind of breaks up my roundness. And this wrap is such a beautiful tone. It really helps to like bring out the rosy tones like from within your skin. And yeah, I love the style and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.